Hi everyone, I'm Saeed. Today I'll be talking about what you should know before starting your business. I will help you understand 14 tips. Great. First tip, making decisions. So, if you have already started your business, I would like to say congratulations. If you are planning to start a business very soon, you have an idea and like to learn more about the steps to get you toward your goal. First, let me ask you this question. Do you know if you are 100% sure, ready, and you can make many decisions? If you really are, this is an excellent time in your life. Now, as you know, you are going to be your own boss. You are going to have many relationships. You will be talking to so many people. To succeed, I will recommend two principles. One, always think in a positive way, no matter what the situation or results are. Two, do not give up. Continue working until you achieve your goal. If you cannot make your own decisions and you expect someone who will help you, you are going to fail, unfortunately. Why? Because many entrepreneurs and even big organizations have closed or are thinking to close their businesses soon. Again, you must take full responsibility in making your own decisions for your company that you are going to build up. You also make sure that you are going to fully control your business transactions. You got it? Excellent. Let me clarify something. Decisions are going to be made every day and during all year round. You will be signing many documents with many entities, including state government administration, customers, suppliers, bankers, employees, and other contractors. You are going to have some problems with some people if something wrong happens, and you must have solutions available for any circumstances in resolving issues, negotiating, and understanding business law and regulations. Tip number 2, think boss. Not like a boss. You are the boss of your company. Let's say, for example, a pilot who is responsible for all passengers and the airplane. So you for your employees and the company. You want to feel you can talk to everyone and vice versa. You are not going to say, don't talk to me, just because you are busy or having a bad day. No. Legally speaking, you will need to be a true leader for all your employees and other entities. You do not favor a person over another. You treat all your employees equally. You listen to them carefully and you speak to them nicely. You respect everyone and that you are respected. For people who do not have enough experience, give them a chance to learn about your goal and the processing systems of your company and policies. I will be talking about these topics when I make videos regarding human resources, information systems, and more. Tip number 3, be team player. You got to be an easygoing person, flexible, cool, and not authoritarian. You know how to motivate others. You are impressed by their jobs. You are comfortable working with them as member of the team. Give them time for recognition and appreciation. When the business is going great, give them bonuses or gift cards. Be their coach and explain that everyone is important to your company. They will be more productive and contributive in a way that they are part of your company. They will be helping you achieve your goal and grow your company if they feel that you are taking care of them. Tip number 4, business plan. All right, business plan is the backbone of your company. It is the roadmap of your mission, objectives, goal, strategies, budget, and everything else concerning your whole organization. You will need to write down a detailed report. You can say, I know what I'm doing. The plan should be projected for short, mid, and long-term period of times. Of course, you can make changes to it whenever economic situation arises and business strategies are modified. You will need to get an idea regarding your potential market, customers, gross income, and your expenses. The whole organization should follow your direction and be committed to the business plan. It is very important. Tip number 5, getting up early. You are very excited in creating your business. Now it is time to keep developing your market and customers by focusing on product and services. Your employees also need your presence and attention. Getting up early will allow you to have enough time to do many things, but you are going to work long hours. It can be between 40-60 hours per week, no matter what weather conditions are. Don't forget that you are building a strong foundation for your business, and you are not the only one who is working hard. There are many companies out there that work even during weekends. Tip number 6, exercising. When you get up early, try to do some workout by exercising outdoor, which is better. You can go for a walk, gym, or jogging during 15 to 13 minutes, 2 to 3 days a week, or at least during the weekend. This will give you more energy and strength your body and mind. You will be feeling very strong, motivated, and ready for work. Tip number 7, family and friends. Well, your family and friends need you too, because you feel happy around them. Your personal life is very important, so we will have to spend some time with your loved ones. You can do it by organizing your time. Don't forget the old saying, live, love, laugh. Going to parks, restaurants, and traveling are always good to balance your work and personal life. Tip number 8, workplace. You probably have dreamed of where you can establish your workplace, either in a big or small city. But the point is where you can make money. This depends on what your products and services are. If your business is about transportation and distribution of products, for example, it does not matter to be away from the city. However, renting or buying a local in cities is very expensive. So you get to think about your expenses. The only question to ask is, will that be okay for you and your employees to drive for hours to get to the workplace? Having said that, but being close to your family is better and more convenient. Tip number 9, your competitors. Business is good when your customers prefer to buy your products for some reason. It can be that you are selling unique products or providing services with high quality for reasonable prices. It doesn't mean this advantage could last forever. There are always competitors that keep an eye on you and try to get your customers by lowering prices or offering free shipping, for example. Only if they can sell similar products or services that match yours. Today, China and other Asian nations are shipping products to the global market with cheap prices. People love to buy those products despite of low quality. However, there are other people that want to buy expensive products because qualities have big value for them. Tip number 10, invest in money. If you are planning to invest your own money onto your own business, that is great news because borrowing money from a financial institution can be tough to reimburse, especially with high loan interests and long period of time. The only thing you probably already know is that investments are risky when ROI, return on investment, is low. No one can predict the future of any business, even if they do accurate financial data analysis and forecasting. The good advice to give you is do not invest big. Start with small investments. Wait and see. Then increase your capital. But do it toward step by step. Business is not a lottery or a lotto. You want to make sure your business stay in good shape. If you plan to have a family member, friend, or other person as your partner, it is hard sometimes because things can go wrong and it can affect your relationships. Money can cause issues, especially when it comes to legal suits. So, first, try to start your own business and get a strong understanding of business transactions and management. When you feel that you will be okay and that you need a partner you could trust, you could certainly know how to deal with everyone in a friendly way. Tip number 11, product and services. Make sure to study your market by researching everything you need to know. Take your time, even months. Go to stores, read business books, ask me questions in the comment sections, as I am planning to post many videos soon that will help business people in achieving their goals. One more thing that is key to success is customer relationship. Your customer will want you to take care of them. You should ask them for feedbacks besides they love your products or your services, or both. Keep track of your customers' information. Contact them by mail, email, phone, ask them questions, offer them discounts and gift cards. Remember, competitors are always waiting for an opportunity in getting your customers. So be nice, greet your customers while they are shopping or while waiting for a service. Customers love to be offered free things, although they don't need them. Being spoiled is human nature. Tip number 12. Avoid dictionaries. Do not buy fancy stuff even if you can afford it. Avoid purchasing luxuries things. You don't really need them. Most businesses fail or go out of business just because they buy expensive cars or houses. Smart people keep that money in their saving accounts just in case some things happen. However, life is good when we can buy things we dreamed of for many years. If you decide to go for it, make sure you have enough money to cover up your expenses in the future. One more thing, which is very important to you and your business. Do not mix up your personal and company accounts. You must separate your personal bank account and your business accounts. This will be required in filing your taxes. Tip number 13, hiring people. If you are starting a business and you can do purchasing and selling or providing services yourself, you will need to hire an accountant to keep track of your records and do your taxes. If you can afford to hire people to do your business, it is perfectly fine. Hiring someone can take a long process. You want to make sure of 3 things. 1, people you can trust. 2, they are hard workers with experience and that you can count on them. Tip number 14, profit and loss. Okay, great. If you have good business skills and you know how to make a profit, that you are recording your expenses and revenues transactions accurately, you are in good shape. When your financial statements are showing a loss, it is okay. And it is not okay at the same time. Why? Because first, it could be resulted from an error that was caused by posting certain transactions to wrong accounts. Second, it can be a real loss of your business operations throughout the year. But do not panic. Most businesses, even big and mid-sized organizations, can have a loss in the first to third year because it takes time to be known in the market to have enough customers. Therefore, most state governments offer no tax charge for a period up to 3 years. Also, if you want to redo your marketing or change strategies toward your products and prices, you can try that too. Hope these advices will help you and good luck. Thank you for watching.